Good morning to one and all. I welcome you to the live stream on zbit.com. And if you are streaming in from YouTube, I welcome you to the live stream as well. Today is a lovely day, but not for the market, which has fallen over the last couple of hours or so. In the last few minutes, in the last few hours, 24 hours, if you see the high last 24 hours was 67,208. It was somewhere around 68 mark, 67 mark, but the market again has fallen slightly over the last couple of hours. I was here yesterday, I was here with a different topic as to what the future holds for the coming week for BTC, for ETH. uh, but as you can see, it has fallen in the last couple of hours. Right now, BTC is currently trading at 66,400 is the price around which it is hovering. And so therefore, it's not just BTC or risky assets. A few other assets have also fallen, and that includes gold, that includes silver, that includes S&P 500 as well. And we are going to monitor and look at all these risky assets and safe haven assets as well, because uh, that is the downward trend that is being seen in the market right now. On that note, I welcome you to the live stream on zbit.com and on YouTube as well. I will be here for the next 3 4 hours, and I will be guiding you on how the market looks like it is behaving, how it is progressing, what kind of trades you should be making, all these things, right? Uh, 1 minute, I'll just have to first look at my balance and transfer it to the sorry, sorry, transfer it from spot to futures. I will do that. I'm sorry, I do have a cold here, and although I have traded my balance, transferred my balance to futures, and you can see it here now, right? This is the amount or balance with which I will be trading today, and we'll hope to make the most of it, because I have shared a few signals as well on my Telegram group. If you've not looked at them, do go and look at them. If you've missed out, that's okay. I'll be sharing more signals in the next few minutes or times to come. And let's hope that we can make some kind of profits even when the market looks like it is behaving in a bearish manner, right? On that note, I welcome you to the live stream. I'll just have all the data when it comes to all these coins in front of me opened, so I can talk about all the safe haven commodities and risky asset commodities as well. uh, how they are doing, how they are performing, whether it is gold, whether it is silver, whether it is S&P 500, whether it is BTC, whether it is Ethereum और एनी अदर ऑल्ट कॉइन फॉर दैट मैटर. ये सारे कॉइन्स हम देखेंगे, आज इनको स्टडी करेंगे, देखेंगे कि कैसे और कहाँ कितने बढ़ रहे हैं, कितने चढ़ रहे हैं. I'll wait for a few more people to join in before I can begin this live session and the topic for the day.
Four, eight, seven.
I hope you have been reading on zbit.com. It's a safe, transparent, and a very useful cryptocurrency exchange that you can use for futures and spot trading as well. It's a platform wherein you can make and double your money, and that is the case even when the market looks like it is falling downwards, right? That is the advantage that you always kind of possess with futures trading, right? Even when the market is going down, you can make a profit. And I'll show you how that is done in the next few minutes as well. As we see the price of BTC, and we constantly monitor it on here, on our platform, on our live. And that is again something that we'll be doing today as well. I'm just waiting for a few more people to join in so that I can begin with this live session, because I would like more and more people to be here, to be involved and discussing this topic with me. Right. Now, I hope that you are also keeping track of where BTC looks like it is heading, and it is a short, downward trend that is very much visible in the market. BTC, especially with BTC falling, you can often observe that other assets do fall as well. That is the trend that is being seen here. It is very much looking like it is going to fall even below 66,000, right? That is the mark that it is very close to touching. And how much it falls, whether it falls more while we are on this live stream or not, whether it rises in the next few minutes, we'll have to constantly keep observing this chart, these candlesticks, and I am going to be doing just that, right? I am also going to be making a few more trades with you here on the live stream. The leverage is right. I feel like my trade is now open. Now, which way does the market looks like it is heading? We are going to see that. I've placed a good decent amount of bid on BTC. That is my first trade of the day, and I'm hoping that BTC is going to move up from here from 199. That is my price, entry price. And now let's just hope that it climbs a bit in the next few minutes as well, because I feel like it is still going to hover around the 66,000, 67,000 mark, but we'll constantly keep monitoring it, right? Uh, I'll also have the latest news as with me open, and that will help us make a better understanding, get a better understanding of how things are shaping up in the market. What is the latest happening when it comes to the clarity act as well? That is also what we are going to be focusing on. How is Coinbase's support turning out, whether they have withdrawn their support? So how is it delaying things when it comes to the crypto bill that is being much talked about in the US? And also, what is Donald Trump doing these days in regard to the crypto bill? What is the latest development on it? What is the movement on it? All these things we are going to see. This is the first article that we are going to be focusing on. Bitcoin tumbles back near last week's lows as AI fears crush tech, and precious metals plunge. We are also, since the topic is in relation to all the metals as well, we are going to be keeping an eye on uh, you know these precious metals as well, silver being one of them, and gold being the other, right? Um, I've entered this trade meanwhile at 66,199, somewhere around the 66,200 mark. The market looks like it is going downwards from here, but let's just hope that it recovers and then we can get some profits here. What I can also do is enter this trade at 66 100 maybe. 66 125 maybe. So we'll constantly keep tracking BTC as well. It's important and it's necessary that we keep a track of how BTC is doing, because it directly or indirectly affects the prices of other coins as well in the market, right? So we have to constantly keep tracking it. We'll also constantly keep tracking what is the latest news in the market when it comes to this price drop or price crash, whether it is BTC, whether it is gold, silver, any of these coins, right? We are going to constantly keep tracking them. I'll be here, monitoring all these prices and placing a few bets. Yesterday, I placed a few bets on, coins that were smaller, like Move, and I incurred a loss as well there. Then I also placed a bet on, uh, you know, uh, another coin JTUSDT as well. So that is what is going to be the trend as well. Right, I have entered this trade also at my second position, that is around 66 120. It is currently at 66 125. Let's just hope that the market sees some kind of surge from here, because it is very difficult to predict BTC sometimes, and we'll wait and hope that the market recovers as well, although it looks like it's going down. Now it finally does look like there is some kind of upheaval or a surge in the market. These green candles hopefully can take my price further up, hoping my portfolio further up. We'll keep an eye on this. It does look like there has been some issue on my backend. I am just looking to sort it out first. Also, I do have a deposit offer as well with me, and I will be sharing it with all of you as and when more and more people join in. I will be sharing it on the YouTube live stream as well as on zbit.com, because it is very important that you do utilize this offer. Meanwhile, it can be seen that BTC looks like it is crashing slightly down, hoping that some kind of revival does come in here in the next few minutes, and only then I'll be in a state of positive uh, you know uh, a positive P&L. Just hoping and counting on those green candles. Meanwhile, we'll look at this article that does talk about the tumble that BTC has incurred in the last 24 hours or so. BTC fell back toward last week's low, giving up all of its recent gains, about 70,000, assuming its slide alongside a weakness in the broader tech sector, as the new crypto now trades back around 65,000, down 2% of the past 24 hours, with losses in Ether and Solana. So Solana and Ether both have incurred losses, not just BTC, and it is kind of a cascade effect that you can see. When BTC goes down, prices of other coins eventually goes down as well. It indirectly or directly kinds of affect all the other prices as well. So cruising along with modest gains through most of the day, gold and silver suffered quick, steep plunges in the mid afternoon. Late in the session, silver was lower by 10.3% to 75.08 per ounce, and gold was down 3.1%. So, not just BTC, other metals have also taken a toll, other metals have also seen a fall. Now, it does look like BTC is going to go down well below 66,000 as well, because that is what the candles are, shaping up like. You can see the sellers dominate in the market. These red candles are much more than the greenish candles. The greenish sentiment, the bullish sentiment looks like it is not there to be seen at this moment. It's very little, and it looks like the only way right now is downwards. But as is the case, like every day, we are going to keep an eye on it, hold our patience, and eventually we will be rewarded. That is what I'm hoping for. I'll also look at other coins and what is the change that we have seen in the last few hours or so. Which coin has had the most change that is being observed in the last few hours or so. Comp USDT has seen a 6% rise. We can obviously place a small bet here, 16.55 okay. Okay, it has seen a fall as well. It's still an open order at the moment, but we'll keep tracking this, and we'll see how it is progressing. Right, BTC. It looks like no, it's not BTC. It's in fact comp. I hope like my position is open now. We'll keep tracking comp as well because we have placed a bet here. BTC meanwhile is up, and I will get to see some kind of profits now. There is a $16, $17 profit on BTC at the moment. I'm hoping that it'll climb further up. Let's hope so. Otherwise, I will look to withdraw this, or I mean, close this trade out. Sorry, never mind. We will look to move to the other news as well. Now, Kathy Wood again has made a prediction, and she said that Bitcoin will thrive amid deflationary chaos created by AI and innovation. Like, what I can tell you from her statement is that uh, she's someone who has always been very bullish on Bitcoin. Uh, even till a few days back, even when the market was going down, Katie Wood has been someone who has been very bullish on Bitcoin, even when things have not looked to go Bitcoin's way. Uh, Truth will win out, she said. We believe we are on the right side of change. Now, as a bullish crypto investor, as a bullish crypto predictor, she's again been very bullish on Bitcoin, and that is the case when the market has looked like it's going down again and again. Again, if you see, I was in a profit. I've again. It looks like BTC is again looking like there will be a downward trend. It will go down below 66,000. That's what I feel today. But let's just hope and see what happens. On that note, I also welcome new users to the live stream. There haven't been many people joining today, but whoever joins today, I will be guiding them perfectly. I'll look at the price of silver as well today. एक तो ये ऐड है ना जो इतने रोकने पड़ते हैं. Now, has look again, it looks like BTC is climbing a bit. That will mean that I'll get some kind of profits as well to show. I'll be making more trades throughout this live session. I do have $170 as well to play with. I will keep investing that price as well. I welcome user 491506 to the live stream. I hope that you're not new depositor, because if you are and if you've not made a deposit, go ahead and make a deposit, because on your first deposit you will get from my side 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu absolutely free of cost. You don't have to do anything extra. Just make a deposit of three or more dollars. Zero point zero nine 515. Right, BTC looks like it is climbing, and therefore I do have a $25 profit here. $28. That would be a really good start to the day, getting a $28, $30 profit to start my day. BTC looks like it is again increasing, it is surging, and I will look to cash in upon on this opportunity, because it is going to start my day on a positive note. $50 profit straight on BTC. I have entered this at 66,186. You can see it is currently at 66,354. Keeping a very close eye on things. Now $70 profit as well, 66,413 तक आ गया है. Now does it look like it's going to touch the 66,500 mark? Keeping a close eye again. This profit you can see because my leverage is around 43x. Looks like it is coming down though, or maybe there will be just a slight green dot. I will close this trade out now, and I placed my order. I'm also in a positive, PNL when it comes to poll. Welcome to user 873192. Welcome again to the live stream. Can open short now. Yeah. When it comes to poll, where is poll? Poll. Yeah. My entry price was at 9515. The market price is now at 9573. So I have a $15 profit to show that you can see here 14 and a half dollars, 30x leverage here. And I think that I will take this $14 profit with me. I'll close this trade out. I have a $14 profit. I've closed this trade out. I'll look at BTC again. BTC is now looking like it is falling this chart, right? I have an open order already placed. It is at 66,364. It hasn't touched that. It has come crashing down. So I look to close that order now. Yeah. We look at some other coin now, and although I have comp USDT, can you tell me why fiat withdrawal will be rejected? I will actually have to ask my team regarding this. I'm afraid you've been on the wrong side of things, user 873192 all the way from Nigeria, and therefore whatever action is being taken is in regard to that, and so I can't do much about your case. I've tried my best. Obviously, you know that, and I've looked to solve your problem. But if the support team is telling you that a fiat withdrawal from your side will be rejected, that is because you've been on the wrong side of things. I've told you that yesterday as well. That is why your account has been, your deposits have been frozen, your portfolio has been frozen. That is why it's happening. So I wish I could help, but I'm afraid that you're on the wrong side of things, and it is very difficult to help you out from there. So I just hope, I just think that you can probably wait for some more time, and then uh, hopefully things can get better for you. I'll keep in touch with my support team. I'll look to talk to them, and I'll figure out what can be done in this case. Meanwhile, for all other users who are invested in on the app, I hope that, let's look at ADA as well. ADA has, okay, ADA has come down to 0% now. Okay, neither am I doing fraudulent activity. Uh, did you ask about your query to our support team? Did you ask about this? Why your fiat withdrawal is will be rejected? From where did you get that information? I asked, but I haven't gotten any response. All right, I will go ahead and ask. Closely monitoring com, there hasn't been much movement in either direction, to be honest. And so we'll keep an eye on this, but we'll also look to make some trades in some other coin. Now if you see the 1 day period for Bera, it is okay. And 0.2867, we'll have to increase the leverage here. Eight, six, eight. I'm afraid user 873192, you're not here, but your account has already been frozen, so there won't be any activity possible from your end. So that is that, and kindly do not indulge in any fraudulent practices as well. Now my position on Aero USDT is now open. I've gone bearish. Let's hope I can make some kind of profit as it goes further down. And yeah, this is the 1 day period. It has gone down further as well. Zero, two. A few smaller coins I have invested in and I have traded in. Let's see how they do. Aero as well as DYDX USDT. Is this position now open? No, it's not. Still not open. 103 is my entry price. I don't know why it's still not open. This position is still not open. I don't know why. Price although is not. I don't know why, but I'll keep a track of it. Now, if you observe and if you see, there hasn't been much movement in terms of change when it comes to all these coins. Just, I mean, most of the coins are showing a change of around 1 or 2%, whether it is on the negative side or on the positive side, right? There hasn't been much. A few coins, although look like they've gone down here and there, but like 1.248 290 19 1.2. Okay, so there is a rise. 2520 is the price that I enter at. I'll go short. This order is still not been converted into a position because it is I enter at 1.2. Let's hope this trade opens and we are able to. Then I've been bearish here. Let's hope I can get this order open. BTC has come back to around the 375 mark, 66 375. Right, three positions are now open. Welcome to user 873192. Since your account has been frozen, I'm afraid there will be no activity that you can possibly try. Hovering around the 66 375 mark, it's going, it looks like it'll go up here. Or not, we will have to see. I think I'll close this trade out. It doesn't look good. वन डे पीरियड 4 आवर पीरियड में लोएस्ट ही गया है 2.748 तक. हाईएस्ट ही गया है 2.775 तक. ठीक है, आई थिंक आई विल गो डाउनवर्ड ओनली टू 4 से 11 जाना पड़ेगा. कॉम्प जो है वो गलत जा रहा है बहुत डायरेक्शन में. Never mind, we'll keep an eye on this. A ladder for the masses. Pakistan's Bilal bin Saqib says crypto is a necessity, not a luxury. क्या कहना चाहते हैं एक बार ये देखेंगे बिलाल बिन सकीब. Pakistan didn't just wake up one morning and decide that it loves crypto, said the chairman of the country's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, the PVARA. तो बिलाल बिन सईद का ये कहना है एट कॉन्सेंसस हांगकांग. इफ यू नो, यू बीन फॉलोइंग आवर लाइव सेशन, आपको पता होगा कि ये एक इवेंट चल रहा है इन हांगकांग. देयर हैव बीन न्यूमरस टॉक्स अबाउट व्हाट हैज बीन हैपनिंग हियर. काफ़ी लोगों ने काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी स्टेटमेंट्स दी हैं यहाँ से, काफ़ी चीज़ें लॉन्च करी हैं, अनाउंस करी हैं. क्या उनका फ्यूचर की तरफ रवैया रहने वाला है, वो भी उन्होंने बताया है। In 2025, Pakistan did realize that we have approximately 40 million of its citizens who are already trading digital assets with zero rules, zero protection, and zero benefit following the flowing back to the state. The market existed, but the regulations didn't. So essentially, we tried to move from a grey market into a governed. Pakistan has the third largest crypto market by retail activity, ahead of places like Germany and Japan. This is because Pakistan isn't just an emerging economy, it's also a young country in terms of demographics. That is the news around Pakistan. A few more trades have opened up, but Aero is giving me a $20 loss. I entered Aero USDT at, I entered at 0.2868. It has currently risen. My liquidation price is 3423. I was hoping that it'll go, further downwards. So is the case with comp as well. Look at comp. Comp I entered at 16.55. It's currently at 16.65. And I was hoping that it'll go further downwards from here, but that hasn't been the case. It's actually 16.6. If you are a new user and if you've just joined the live stream, I would just like to let you know that you can get from my site 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu absolutely free of cost. And if you've not made most of this offer, please go ahead and do so. Uh, it is only for your benefit, right? We'll be constantly tracking all these coins. I'll take a short 5 minute break. I will be back in the next few minutes, and till then, you can keep tracking all these coins. I have traded in smaller coins. Generally, I don't tend to do that. I am always looking out for BTC or Ethereum. Today I have invested in Cake USDT. I've invested in Neo USDT as well as Aero USDT and Comp USDT, all smaller altcoins that I generally don't tend to invest in, and they are very volatile. They don't have much, some of them might also be meme coins as well, but I am therefore not expecting a lot of stability here, and it's very difficult to predict them sometimes. So let's just hope and keep an eye on all these uh, coins. I'll be back in the next few minutes. Till then, stay tuned, and I will be right back. Welcome back to the live stream, guys. I am constantly monitoring the prices of all these commodities in the last few minutes. Quite a few of them have fallen and are showing a massive fall as well. Whether it is Aero, whether it is CompUSDT or Neo, as well as Cake and obviously DYD XUSDT. So all these commodities are showing kind of loss. I look to close this trade out as well, but I am hoping that they'll recover in the next few minutes, and then I'll be having some kind of profit to show as well. I don't want to obviously get liquidated. Therefore, I am keeping a constant eye. You can also keep a constant eye on things and how these prices are constantly fluctuating. I don't have any balance, therefore, I can't go ahead and make a trade, but I am looking to close a few trades out, and that is also not looking like it's gonna happen. Very difficult to close out trades here sometimes when prices are fluctuating that fast. I will have to open DY. See, you just have a look at the charts. That is the 1 minute chart. The 60-minute chart is somewhere like this. And I entered this at a entry price of 103. It's still at 103, but I can't, close this right now because I am, I think I'll have to close all. Zero point 102.
So did I get
I think that's okay. Just trying to look at my PNL for today. So Comp and Aero USDT haven't been the kind of trades that I was actually looking for because they have not provided me with the right amounts of profits. In fact, they have kind of taken my PNL down to the negative side, towards the negative, and it's a $50 loss because of it. And so has been Neo as well. I was expecting. I entered at Neo at 2.774. If you see, Neo is at the very last year, and although it has seen a 2.88% change, I entered, my entry price was around 2.774, and I expected it to go downwards, but it has not. That has not been the case. It has instead risen a bit. If you see the last 60 minutes period, you can I entered somewhere here, and this is how it has progressed. Now I can obviously hold and keep my options open, but I will look to, you know I'll keep monitoring it obviously, but let's see. So I will look to cover up my losses from either Solana or again BTC maybe. Keep close track of it. Keep good leverage on it as well. And meanwhile, if you've just joined on the live stream, I do have a deposit offer with me as well that I am looking at. The market is currently in a bearish state of affairs, and very difficult to predict as to which direction will help, because you can see clearly there hasn't been much change in the prices of all these commodities. This is the 4 hour period of ton USDT, and Solana, meanwhile, is giving me a $5 profit, but I'll have to make amends for the losses that I've incurred. I'm looking at more coins and how they can eventually change my fortunes for today. Let's have a look at PAX as well. PAX 2 has seen no, the lowest it has gone to in the 4 hour period is 499, sorry, 4976. So it has kind of maintained this position. The 1 day period has been 4890. It has gone the lowest, and the highest is 5074. So it is obviously quite down from generally what position it maintains, and we will have to look at. I welcome कितना कहूँ बरू कगा दपन bo. I welcome user 635416 to the live stream. I do not get what you're trying to say. I'll probably have to translate what you're saying. and then understand your language. We have a new account. Do we get the bonus? You 100% do get a bonus, but you only get a bonus if you tap on the below deposit option that is just below me. 8.443 पे I have five positions open. All of them are showing negative, uh, you know, PNL. But let's. So, user 635,416, welcome to the live stream. If you are a new depositor, I do have a deposit offer with me right now, but you have to first tap on the deposit option below my live stream screen. Very much below towards the bottom right, there is the deposit option. Tap on it, make a deposit of three or more dollars, and take away 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu from my side absolutely free of cost. You don't have to do anything extra, just make a deposit of three or more dollars, right? And once you've done that, just share your user ID with me. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे तो लाइव में यूजर 635,416 आप ही से बात कर रहा हूँ बहुत बहुत स्वागत है अगर आपने डिपॉजिट अगर आपने डिपॉजिट नहीं कराया अब तक तो प्लीज गो अहेड एंड मेक अ डिपॉजिट मेरे नीचे ही डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन है उसी को दबा के आपको डिपॉजिट ऑफर पे 20,000 पे या 20,000 शिबा इनू मिलेंगे तो करिए डिपॉजिट और इसका लाभ उठाइए फायदा उठाइए क्योंकि डिपॉजिट आप वैसे भी करोगे साथ में आपको कुछ बोनस फ्री मिल जाएगा अगर आप इसको यूटिलाइज करेंगे डिपॉजिट ऑप्शन नीचे है उसी को प्रेस करके मिलेगा तो ये आपको बता दूं मैं कॉम्प में मैंने जो ट्रेड करा था वो था my entry price was 16.58. It is still going upwards. It is at 16.74. I look to enter around this very point and I'll open long. Let's see how high it goes and whether it covers my losses or not. So we are constantly tracking here the prices of all these commodities. These are all small altcoins that I am looking to trade upon today. And जहाँ मैंने ज़्यादा लेवरेज लगाना चाहिए था वो मैंने लगाया नहीं इसलिए कॉम्प में मेरा थोड़ा नेगेटिव ज़्यादा चला गया है नेवर माइंड कल हमने बेरा यूएसडीटी पे भी बाय द वे एक अच्छा सिग्नल मैंने आपको भेजा था. I earned $115 profit from it. I did send a screenshot of that as well on to my Telegram group. Now, if you didn't make most of that opportunity, you can do so today as well. I'll be sharing a new signal, at a later time in the day, and then you can obviously make some kind of profits. एक बार हमें स्कैन करने के लिए आई वुड लाइक माय फोन टू स्कैन दिस settings devices. क्या massive fall देखा है हमने 5058 से signals. So I hope that you are keeping track of all these coins today. XAU will has fallen, I mean, quite steeply. You can see it has fallen from this very point of 5058 and all the way down towards 4978. Of course, it is climbing up a bit now, but that growth is slightly slow. Pax as well. We've looked at Pax. Pax too has fallen in the last couple of days. This is Pax, very much like that of XAU. This is the 60-minute data. Pax का आप देखोगे तो this is again the 60, very much similar to that of XAU. This chart of Pax. कुछ नए ट्रेड्स और करेंगे. Welcome to user 831673 to the live stream. Today we are looking at different altcoins, and I am doing trading in that. Some of the trades haven't gone my way. To be honest, I don't have anything to hide about it. But of course, as we go along on this live session, we'll keep making new trades. The topic of the day, of course, has been the fall in BTC and the fall in altcoins and the fall in silver and gold as well. uh, there is slightly some kind of fear that is being seen in the market. It's still not stabilized because yesterday BTC was doing somewhere around the 67, 6800 mark. Now it has come down slightly. It went down to even, if you see the 1 day period, it has come down to a low of 65,000 as well. So it is obviously been hovering around the 60,000 and 72,000 mark, somewhere in between. And we will therefore have to keep monitoring the price of all these. coins. Of course, this position of BTC will it has a lot to do with different factors. Of course, Donald Trump being one of the factors, geopolitical reasons being one of the factors, the Clarity Act bill being delayed is one of the factors, the macro level factor, the fear in the market being one of the factors, gold and silver prices playing their part is one of the factors. So quite a lot of factors that we've had to look at, and I think I can go. It's a very volatile market at the moment. Predicting is very difficult, and therefore we are staying just short of doing all that. Of course, I've had to incur losses of my own as well, but that is part and parcel of this trading business. एक दो या 3% से ज़्यादा मुझे कहीं भी नज़र नहीं आ रहा है कि ज़्यादा चेंज आया है मार्केट में। खैर I am looking out for a newer coin to trade on, because often जो है ना मैं ऐसे BTC और इनमें ही अभी आप देख रहे हैं मैं करता रहता हूँ ट्रेड। आई वेलकम यूजर 1600 17 1600 17 to the live stream. Goodbye as well, you've left. See you. Can you put this? कॉम्प और सोलाना पे मैंने ट्रेड्स ओपन करे हुए हैं, लेकिन ज़्यादा मूवमेंट देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है। खैर एनीवे, आगे बढ़ेंगे। हमने आर्टिकल पढ़ा कि पाकिस्तान, बिलाल बिन सकीब ने कहा है कि क्रिप्टो वहाँ पर उनके लिए एक नेसेसिटी है रादर दैन लग्जरी। तो इसीलिए पाकिस्तान क्रिप्टो में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, क्रिप्टो में चाह रहा है कि एक प्लेयर बना रहे, ग्लोबल प्लेयर बना रहे। जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा, कंसेंसस हांगकांग एक मेजर इवेंट चालू है इन द इन हांगकांग। एंड वहाँ पर अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो काफ़ी सारे ट्रेडर्स, काफ़ी सारे बड़ी कंपनीज वहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, अपने अनाउंसमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, कुछ इनॉग्रेशंस हो रही हैं, कुछ फ्यूचर को लेके वहाँ पे डिस्कशंस हो रहे हैं। और इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कार्डानो के भी फाउंडर आए हैं, चार्ल्स हॉस्किंसन। उन्होंने अनाउंस करा है कि लेयर जीरो विल पोर्ट टू कार्डानो एंड दैट द प्रीवियसली फोकस मिडनाइट मैनेट विल डेब्यू नेक्स्ट मंथ। और इसी तरह की कई सारे अनाउंसमेंट हो रहे हैं जो क्रिप्टो प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताया जा रहा है, लोगों को अनाउंसमेंट्स हो रही हैं। एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट expectations they have from cryptocurrency, what expectations they have from their own coins in the next few days. बाइनेंस के को फाउंडर रिचर्ड टेंग ने भी वहां पर बात करी है। उन्होंने अपने कंपनी को एक्यूजेशन से बचाया है कि 2 अक्टूबर 10 को अभी जो लिक्विडेशन इवेंट हुआ था उसमें बाइनेंस का एक मेजर रोल था। ऐसे एक्यूजेशंस बाइनेंस पे लगते आए हैं। $19 बिलियन जो है वो लिक्विडेट हो गए थे उस दिन। और उनका ये कहना था कि ये हमारी वजह से नहीं हुआ है, बाइनेंस की वजह से नहीं हुआ है, रादर मैक्रो शॉक्स कॉज्ड अ ब्रॉडर मार्केट डाउनटर्न। सो there are numerous factors जिनके पीछे numerous things that are being discussed at this event. And you know a lot of crypto exchange owners as well are there, a lot of uh, altcoin owners are there as well. So we're constantly keeping a track of whatever is happening in this conference, in this event as well. एक नए, आज मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ नए कॉइन्स में ही मैं यू नो ट्रेड करूं। लेकिन इनके साथ एक दिक्कत है कि ये बढ़ते कम है और विड्रॉ करना फिर मुश्किल हो जाता है, फिर इसलिए आई वुड रादर नॉट। मैंने 66806 पे एंटर करना चाहे बट हो नहीं पाया है। इसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं क्योंकि अब ये देर हो गई है और आई एंटर्ड दिस ट्रेड लेट। So it does look like the market, all these altcoins in the market are trying to, maintain themselves somehow, and there is therefore not much movement across, not much change in the market. If you can see, most of the coins are going through a rough maybe 0.5% change or a 1% change or a 2% change, not much more than that. Over the last few days I've seen coins going to almost showing 10, 15, 20, 25% change as well. I welcome user 501221 to the live stream. If you're a new depositor and if you've not deposited, the deposit option is just below me. Tap on it, make a deposit, take away the deposit offer from me, and get 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu from my side absolutely free of cost. Only if you tap on the below deposit option will you get that offer. Anywhere on the app, if you deposit with some other option, you will not get that offer. If you tap on it, you'll get 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu from my side absolutely free. And this, mind you, is only for new depositors, people who have not deposited any money or any deposit, made any deposit on zbit.com so far. So take away that deposit offer, deposit more than $3, could be $30, could be $300, could be $5, $10, any price, and take away this deposit offer from me. And what's more is that you can begin your crypto journey on a positive note. Look, you will anyway be depositing at some point or the other, right? But if you use this deposit offer, you will get some kind of bonus along with the deposit that you have made, right? So that is why I am giving you this deposit offer. And the entry price is also very minimal. It is very reasonable, very nominal. We've kept it at just $3 so that everybody can make use of this deposit offer. All right, let's enter, go long on ETH. Let's hope that it does rise in the next few days, next few minutes. Solana is not giving me that much of profit. It is maintaining its position. My entry price at on Solana was around 7.65, 7965, 79.65. It's currently lesser. Obviously, I wanted to go short, but it is not that short. I'm just getting a $5 profit so far, and if it starts building up, then I guess I won't even have that. So will Solana fall or not? We'll keep a close eye on that. Meanwhile, I'll just be back from a short break. Another one of my trades is now open. I have gone short. I'm sorry, I've gone bullish on ETH, and I hope that ETH will actually, go up from here. It is at 1960. Let's hope so. So we'll keep a close eye, and I will be back in the next few minutes. Stay tuned and keep depositing only on zbit.com. All right, then welcome to the live stream. We are constantly monitoring the prices of Ethereum as well as Solana and Comp USDT because these are the commodities that I have, traded in a few minutes back. I'm keeping a close eye on my PNL balance as well. I welcome user 169207 to the live stream as well. Today, the topic has been in and around the price of BTC crashing slightly since the last 24 hours, and also other alongside it, other commodities as well, other altcoins as well. They've fallen slightly. Not just that, even gold and silver have shown some kind of a downwards trajectory. So we are constantly monitoring it because the fear index in the market at the moment is still on the higher side, and therefore you can see the market not being able to recover from this window of 60,000 to 72,000, wherein BTC is maintaining this position and finding it slightly difficult to move out of this particular bracket, this particular window. Uh, we are looking at the prices of uh, you know uh, the common commodities that I've been trading in, these assets that I'm trading in. I've not had a good time trading with these smaller altcoins today because it's again very difficult to predict at the moment because the volatility is such, the bearish state of affairs in the market is such. I welcome user 926000 to the live stream. I hope that if you are a new depositor, you've made most of the deposit offer that I have with me. If you've not, the deposit option is right below me. Tap on it and get your deposit offer used from my side. I am giving you 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu absolutely free of cost. You don't have to do anything. You just have to make a deposit of 20. You just have to make a deposit of three or more dollars. I don't think that's a very big amount as well. कोई बड़ा अमाउंट तो है नहीं. तो प्लीज़ आप इन्वेस्ट करिए और अपने क्रिप्टो जर्नी की शुरुआत करिए zbit.com पे. लेकिन एक बात का जरूर ध्यान रखिए, ये ऑफर खाली नए डिपॉजिटर्स के लिए, फर्स्ट टाइम डिपॉजिटर्स के लिए है. तो काइंडली गो अहेड, मेक अ डिपॉजिट, एंड इफ यू नॉट जॉइन माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एज वेल, उसका भी लिंक नीचे ही है. आप मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से जुड़ सकते हैं. काफ़ी सारे सिग्नल्स मैं वहाँ ट्रेड करता रहता हूँ और मैं आपसे शेयर करता रहता हूँ, तो आप उसका फ़ायदा भी उठा पाएंगे. राइट. अजय कुमार, आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. यूज़र 169207, आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. आप बहुत देर से यहाँ पर बने हुए हैं. आपको कोई भी डाउट हो रिगार्डिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसी, रिगार्डिंग ऐप में कुछ फंक्शन में दिक्कत आ रही है आपको, या आपको डिपॉजिट में दिक्कत आ रही है, विड्रॉल में इशू आ रहा है, डिपॉजिट ऑफर सुनना है मुझसे मुझसे दोबारा, डिपॉजिट करना है अपना पहला दोबारा, पहला डिपॉजिट करना है, तो मुझे बताइए. आज के टॉपिक में कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है तो भी बताइए. आई एम रेडी टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन. Uh, but I would love to know your side of the story as well. How are you? What are you thinking of the market? Where do you think BTC will fall towards, or will it start rising now? Are we at the bottom? क्या लगता है आपको? User 169207, आपसे जरूर जानना चाहूंगा मैं. अच्छा, ETH का दिखा दूं. बाय द वे, ETH मैंने एंटर करा है एट 1960. अभी $1 ही बढ़ा है, लेकिन $60 का प्रॉफिट मेरे को हो रहा है. You can see the market is क्वाइट स्टेबलाइज एट द मोमेंट। ईटीएच को भी अगर आप देखें, दिस इज द 4 आवर पीरियड। मैं ऐसा भी नहीं कह रहा कि अभी 1 मिनट का पीरियड है। 1 मिनट का पीरियड में भी देखो आप, जो ये जितने भी कैंडल स्टिक्स हैं, दे नॉट एज बिग की फ्लक्चुएशन ज़्यादा देखने को मिले। अ, इसलिए 60 मिनट पीरियड अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर आपको फिर भी थोड़ा एक अंदाज़ा लगेगा। आई हैव एंटर्ड ईटीएच एट 1960, 1960 पे मैंने एंटर करा है, 1960 पे ही है अभी। तो आप देख सकते हैं ज़्यादा मूवमेंट नहीं है, दैट इज़ वाई पीएनएल में भी ज़्यादा मूवमेंट नहीं है। ये जो नुकसान सह रहा हूँ मैं, ये सोलाना की वजह से, क्योंकि मैंने सोलाना का एंटर करा है 79.65 पे। ठीक है, और मैं चाहता था कि मार्केट वहाँ से नीचे जाए, हल्की सी ऊपर गई है, $60 के माइनस में हूँ, जो कि घटता जा रहा है और बढ़ भी रहा है बीच बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा। 79.82 भी प्राइस है। I think I should have gone bullish because I had gone bullish on Ethereum as well. So, meanwhile और ट्रेड करता रहूँगा, न्यूज़ भी देखता रहूँगा क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है। बीटीसी पे भी एंटर कर सकता हूँ, सोच रहा हूँ करूँ भी। थोड़ा सा प्राइस बढ़ा है अभी हाल ही फिलहाल में, वेरी क्लोज टू गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द 67,000 मार्क। सो आई थिंक आई कैन बी वाउच फॉर दैट। एंड 913 पे मैं एंटर करता हूँ और मैं ये क्या हुआ? अच्छा, साइज नहीं करा, सॉरी। ट्रेड्स जो है अपने मॉनिटर रेगुलरली मैं करता रहता हूँ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई वेलकम यूजर 613786 टू द लाइव स्ट्रीम। आई थिंक आई कैन गो बुलिश फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल, 66। फिर से 1961 पे हम एंटर करेंगे इस ट्रेड को। Still an open order, but 1962 पे भी चला गया अभी ये. Right. ये ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी अभी ओपन में है क्योंकि 1961 तक ये आया है नहीं अभी तक. Let's just wait for that. I welcome user 126740. If you've not made a deposit so far, the deposit option is right below my screen, right at the bottom right. Please go ahead, make a deposit, get 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu coins from me ASAP. Don't miss out on this opportunity because only if you deposit will you be able to trade and make more money, right? So go ahead, make a deposit. The deposit option is right below me. Tap on it. Only then will I be able to give you this deposit offer. Go ahead, make a deposit. And as you can see, BTC has fallen. I've been bullish, but it has started falling a bit. Was well above the, you know, I entered at 878. It's back to 830s. Looks like it'll fall even further. Yeah, never mind. We'll wait and see. The market is still at a index value of 9. The crypto fear and greed index is again back at 9. These are very similar to the ones, this index is very similar to the times when when FTX had crashed in 2021, 2022, and these are very similar levels. It just tells that the market is in a very uncertain period right now, and the sentiment is that of very extreme fear, and therefore this price is driving this emotional aspect, this emotion of fear is driving the market towards an even more bearish phase, right? Um it is just finding it very difficult to move out of this phase of somewhere around 60,000 to 72,000, and it's maintaining that position. That has been the case that we have seen in the last few days or so. Again, BTC is again back to the 830s right now. We are constantly monitoring it, and my bets are all placed, but I'm you can see it, they're all on the negative side. Let's just wait and see how the market stabilizes and goes up from 66,878, because that is my entry price right now. It is slipping further away, come has come down to less than 66,800 now. And so not a good trade in my view. Then finally, it looks like there is some kind of revival in the market, and BTC has come towards the market price, entry price that I entered on. I'm monitoring the price of OM USDT, and it looks like it is on an upwards trend, and therefore I've entered it at point 0.5556. PTC as well is showing signs of rising. I will look to close out this trade as and when I do have a decent profit on my hands. Depends on BTC as well. OM is showing good signs of upheaval, upwards trend. I am getting a $36 profit over here, $45 now. Remains to be seen, will it go to the point 0.05800 mark or not? Does look like it's heading into that direction very soon. So I hope, and it has. So I do have a $50 profit here to show. No point. It's a very topsy turvy chart that you can see for USDT. I have started trading on it just a few minutes back, and I did get a bigger profit, but I unfortunately couldn't close the trade out at that very moment. But I did get a good profit on uh, ETH and BTC. So I'll wait for this price to again go up in the next few minutes for USDT. The percentage change has obviously come down a bit, but let's hope and see um, if it rises further. Comp again has shown a 7 to 8% increase. Look, the bars are again rising, and I do have a $45 profit to show now. My entry price was 5760. It is 5794 right now. But I look to close out this profit as soon as I feel like it's above $50. I will close this trade out. Anyone who streamed in on YouTube or on zbit.com, the app, uh, do stay tuned. I'll be keeping a close eye on USDT. We will be making a, we'll close at, what happened? Why did my position close? Think my position just closed. From here I will still enter it. Point 5760 510.0. What happened? I think there has been some kind of an error because I was trading on USDT, but it vanished all of a sudden. Bitcoin's long term rally is broken until it reclaims the $85,000 mark, Deribit executive says. The largest cryptocurrency है settled इनका क्या कहना है एक बार हम देख लेते हैं. Until the market reclaims 85K, the longer term chart remains broken and the path of least resistance technically remains lower. Rising above 85,000 would confirm that buyers have established control. Having soaked up all the supply that wrecked the long term outlook, the Bitcoin price was recently near 66,600, well below Piquet Notch make or break level and deep in bear territory with room for more pain. If 60 to $60 fails to hold on a closing basis, the 200-week MA is the next logical and possibly final stop for this correction. The 200-week simple moving average is widely called as the holy grail for bottom fishers. 8,000. So does it look like Bitcoin will fall to the 58,000 mark eventually? Because a lot of people had actually predicted that when the bearish run did start and was at its peak. But a few predictions have also been around the fact that a lot of people think they are now we are very close to the bottom of BTC. Whether that is true or the other way around, we will have to see because 58,000 still feels a far way off because it is currently at 66 or 67,000, right? So 58K तक जाना या 60K तक जाना again will be that will take a lot away from the market. इतना मार्केट अभी लिक्विडेट होना और लोगों को देखने वाली है मतलब. तो यही देखने की बात होगी. देखते हैं कितना करता है कितना नहीं करता है. अरे यार बेरिश होना था यहाँ से क्या. It's just not been my day to be honest, and so profits are often being wiped away. इतनी देर से मैं देख रहा हूँ ये डाउनवर्ड्स ट्रेजेक्टरी पे ही है. 14.14% तक गिरा है. अब जब जैसे ही मैं ट्रेड करने आया हूँ जीरोस पे, तो अब ये आप देख सकते हैं कि क्या हालात हैं इसके। खैर, नज़र बनाए रखेंगे, देखते हैं कहाँ तक जाता है कहाँ तक नहीं जाता। 475 तक चला गया, मैंने 434 पे मैं आया था। 81, वाह वाह, वाह वाह वाह। I don't have any USDT there। ऊपर से ये सोलाना है। I welcome to user I welcome user 982998 to the live stream. We are keeping an eye on uh, zero, which is zero USD, and it is showing good signs of going long again after a fall of around 14%. I've entered this trade at uh, you know 18520. Market price is at 18516. Expected to go upwards. This is not yet open though. No, it is right. Gift me. What do you want? All the way from Indonesia, I welcome you to the live stream. First of all, if you've not deposited, go ahead and make a deposit. The deposit option is right below. And once you've made a deposit, I can give you, if it is your first deposit, I can gift you 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? If yes, I can give. I welcome user 701912 to the live stream. I hope you're doing good. We are keeping a close eye on all the altcoins, all the major coins as well. And if you've not made a deposit, go ahead and make so. The deposit option is right below me. tap on it and get your get your giveaway bonus from my side, absolutely free of cost. You can see there hasn't been much change, if you ask me, in the percentages as well. There was some sort of change on one of the coins that is not here right now, but the other coins, I don't see much change happening here. So Bitcoin, it does look has touched 67,000 as well. uh, I don't have any USDT left, so ये फायदा नहीं हुआ इस ट्रेड का, क्योंकि वो पहुंचा ही नहीं उस पॉइंट तक। It does look like BTC is heading towards the 67,100 mark, and I'm constantly following it. I do have a $4 5 profit on it as well because my leverage is high, but oh, looks like it's starting to come down. It is, although touching the 67,000 mark again and again, it is not going below that. It is maintaining that position, and it does look like BTC will be staying in and around the 67,000 mark in the next 24 hours at least. It's come down a bit as well, but I've thankfully closed that trade. And It's been that kind of day when all my predictions have not really not gone my ways, and therefore I have had to endure a tough last few hours or so. I'm still looking at all the data and all the coins as well, so that uh, whenever I felt like the market should go up from where it has instead fallen down, and whenever I felt that the market will go down, it is, it has on the contrary gone upwards. So that is how it has been today. BTC looks like it'll touch 67,000 again and again, and then it'll again come back to normal look. It is again touch 67,000, right? Heading in the right direction, but you never know with BTC and such a volatile market right now. I can still make a prediction here and there, but again, it's so volatile, it's so difficult to predict at the moment, and it's fluctuating again and again, hitting that 67,000 mark, stabilizing here in and around this mark for some time, and then coming downwards, then again hit going upwards towards the 67, 50, 67, 80s, and again falling down towards 67 or 66,000. So very difficult to predict in such kinds of market. I hope that you are still join in and uh, you know uh, depositing some amount of money on zbit.com, because if you haven't, you're missing out on the deposit offer that we have for you, which is that of getting 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu absolutely free of cost. You don't have to do anything extra, you just have to deposit, and the deposit option is right below me on the zbit.com app on the live stream window, right? I hope you are paying close attention to BTC as well, because it is asking for it, right? It is hitting that 67,000 mark again and again, looking like it will go further up, but then again stabilizing a bit. I've entered this trade at 67,000 itself. I'm hoping to make some kind of profit by going bullish on BTC. It has touched the 67,000 mark. Let's hope I can do that. I can get some profits back into my portfolio, and build my portfolio upwards from here on. It just मतलब सही लगता है यार जब ये ग्रीन कैंडल्स दिखती रहती हैं, क्योंकि वरना तो माहौल आज का इतना अच्छा रहा नहीं है. आई हैव नॉट हैड अ गुड ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री, बैड डिसीजंस, प्लेंटी ऑफ देम इन फैक्ट. अगर आप zbit.com पे बने हुए हो और आप ऐप पे नहीं हो हमारे, तो ज़रूर आइए. आपको मेरी तरफ से डिपॉजिट ऑफर भी मिलेगा, और आपको वाइटल हेल्प मिलेगी मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप से भी, जहाँ पर आपको मैं सिग्नल्स देता हूँ, जहाँ पर मैं आपको काफ़ी सारे ऑफर्स मैं आपसे जल्दी-जल्दी डिस्कस कर सकता हूँ, आपका डिपॉज़िट और विथड्रॉल में तेज़ी से करवा सकता हूँ। तो आप अगर इन दोनों जगहों पे नहीं है, मेरे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे और zbit.com ऐप पे, तो आप ज़रूर आइए और अपना विथड्रॉल फास्ट करवाने के लिए, एक स्मूदर सर्विस के लिए आप मेरे से टच में रहिए। सी अगेन इट हैज फॉलन जस्ट बिलो दैट मार्क, और अभी फिर से ऊपर जाने के फिराक में है, जाता नहीं है ज़्यादा, जाता बहुत कम ही है, मेंटेन ये इसी पोजीशन को करेगा, 67 66 65 67 66, यही पोजीशन मेंटेन हो रही है, और अब तो बल्कि और भी ज़्यादा नीचे जाता दिख रहा है। मेरा क्रॉस बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा इसमें रूम है नहीं टू यू नो वेट एंड होल्ड अलॉट, नुकसान ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, लिक्विडेट भी हो सकता हूँ, बट लिक्विडेशन और वो बहुत दूर है। हालांकि अगर ये 67 to 100 तक चला जाता है, तो आई थिंक आई विल लुक टू क्लोज आउट दिस ऑफर, लुक टू क्लोज आउट दिस ट्रेड। उसके लिए ऊपर जाना ज़रूरी है, खैर नज़र बनाए रखेंगे। 85,000 तो ये कभी हिट करेगा, कुछ नहीं कह सकते हैं। If you are available on the YouTube live stream or on the zbit.com app, and if you have any more questions that you want to ask regarding today's topic, मेरी तरफ से डन है आज का टॉपिक, बट हम देखेंगे कि कैसे आज हम बीटीसी पे कुछ वापस अब ये जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा 67,000 पे, पहले तो ये देखेंगे। क्योंकि मुझे लगता नहीं है ये मार्केट अभी इन एंड अराउंड यहीं रहेगी। Constantly monitoring the price as well, uh, of BTC and that of Ethereum as well, क्योंकि दोनों में मेरे ट्रेड्स ओपन है। $2-4 $60 का ही नुकसान इसमें हो रहा है, टोटल 10 का हो रहा है, लेकिन पॉजिटिव साइड में आना इम्पोर्टेंट है। मैंने एंटर करा है 1961 पे, अब ये 58.677 पे है। मेरी एंट्री प्राइस 61 थी। खैर देखते हैं क्या होता है, थोड़ा सा वेट करेंगे, देखेंगे, ध्यान देंगे। Meanwhile, Yash is also going to be there on the live today. He has another interesting topic as well to discuss with all of you traders and investors and people who like watching our live stream. We come here with sharing some kind of knowledge with you. We come here to help you out, and that is what we are looking to do. Like you can see on your screen, the price for ETH has fallen tremendously in the last few seconds, एंड 55 पे आ गया। अभी मैं 58 पे मेरी एंट्री हुई थी, सॉरी 61 पे मेरी एंट्री हुई थी। एंड या आई मीन इट्स जस्ट बीन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ डे फॉर मी। ये बीटीसी गिरा है तो अब ऑब्वियसली आएगा इधर, बट अब ऊपर जाता मुझे इतना दिख नहीं रहा है। अगेन ये 67,000 को तो टच नहीं करेगा, सो आई थिंक आई क्लोज दिस ट्रेड आउट। Close it is. It's been that kind of day. I'm not playing. I've just accepted defeat for today, because that should be the right way to go. And sometimes it's just not your day, and therefore you can feel the heat sometimes. I welcome user 873192 to the live stream. But I still hope that you people are making some kind of trades and don't have to rely completely on me. Uh, because whatever trade you do, it's important you do some kind of research on it and look at some of the data. You look at how other these candles are shaping up. Like we just saw BTC touched 67,000 a minute back, a few minutes back, and now it has come down 130, 170, almost 200 dollars, right? So this is such a volatile market when it comes to BTC, and today I've seen the wild side of it. User 469018, I welcome you from Nigeria. I hope you are depositing some money on zbit.com. If you've not, the deposit option is right below me. Tap on it, make a deposit, and begin your crypto journey on a positive note, because I also have an offer for you. All those people who have not made any deposit so far, not even once, you can get from my side 20,000 Pepe or 20,000 Shiba Inu absolutely free. Don't have to do anything, just make a deposit of 3 or more dollars. So go ahead, tap on it. This is for you, user 469018. Tap on this deposit option below me and get your offer from me absolutely free of cost, right? Well, looks like it's again going to touch the 67,000 mark. Let's enter this trade at 973. Give us an open round. It's just been that kind of a day, right? You can see just now I made a entry at 973, and look how sharply this has fallen. I just don't know how all my trades are today not just realizing their potential and instead going the other way around. Bad day at the office जिसे कहते हैं ना. It's been that kind of day. It is so volatile, this market. You've seen for yourself, and I've been here with you, and it's been very difficult to predict today. I feel like I was hoping that altcoins will give me some kind of respite and I'll have some kind of change, but that didn't happen. So I felt like I should move back to BTC. Now I feel I should go back to altcoins again. So that has been my day. I'll make one more trade before going on one of these coins. I'm thinking still which coins to look at. Maybe Atom, right? To mm, this is the 4 hour window. वो ट्रेड ओपन ही नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. Well, I am at the closing stages of my live stream, and if you've got any more questions that you want to be, you want answered to, I'll be happy to help and oblige to all your questions and your doubts. I've now come towards the closing stages of my live stream. If you have any doubts or questions, you can go ahead and ask me. And if you've not made a deposit, go ahead to the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and make a deposit. Welcome to user 73192 and user 524920. Why do you remove me from your group? I haven't removed anyone, brother. User 800775, welcome to the live stream. I hope that you have made a deposit today, because if you've not and you've not traded as well, you can go ahead and trade in this bearish looking market today. You can go ahead and make a prediction, do futures trading on zbit.com. It's a completely safe, secure, and transparent platform that you are now a part of. I am doing my own trades as well. And if you want to deposit, the deposit option is right below me. Tap on it, make a deposit, and get 20,000 Shiba Inu or 20,000 Pepe from my side, absolutely free of cost. डोंट मिस आउट ऑन दिस ऑफर, क्योंकि काफी लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं और ये डिपॉजिट ऑफर मिस कर देते हैं. चेक यू हैव रिमूव्ड मी. I don't know if someone from my team might have removed you. I think your account has been frozen, and you have indulged in some kind of fraudulent practice, or that is why the support team might have removed you. I don't know. That is not something that I am. Uh, I don't. I mean, I don't know anything about it. But I have. If someone from my team has removed you from the Telegram group, I'm not doing anything fraudulent. Please. Uh, I'm sorry. You know, Something fishy must have definitely happened. Otherwise, our support team would not have had to take this step, because your assets have also been frozen now. And I'm sure you must have done something wrong, right? Why else would we freeze your account? Right, then I am coming towards the closing stages of my live stream now. And I hope that I have been bearish on the market. I've been bearish on XAU. I have a $1.5 profit to show as well. Do you know zBit office in Nigeria, please? I don't. I don't know about the zBit office in Nigeria. I'm sorry. I wish I could help you. I am actually coming towards the closing stages of my live stream window. User 383447, glad you've joined, but you've kind of joined slightly later. My live stream is coming towards an end, and I and if you've not made a deposit so far, you can go ahead and do so. The deposit option is right below me. Make use of it. Deposit now and win. This deposit offer from my side. Get those 20,000 Pepe or Shiba Inu absolutely free of cost. The deposit option is right below me. like you can see, there hasn't been much movement in terms of, I mean, there is movement obviously, but it is not to the level that we generally come to see on exchanges every day, right? So therefore, trades have also been, kind of tipsy turvy, and they have not been up to the mark when it comes to fluctuations. It has been very difficult to make. Therefore, uh, never mind. We will be here tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, I'll be here on the evening shift. I'll be here from 5:30 IST to 9:30 IST. That is the evening slot for live stream. I'll be here with a new topic, and when I joined, I hope that you also join with me and we can make plenty of trades on that day tomorrow. That is, I'll be here with a newer topic, much more interesting topic, but it might also depend on what happens tonight, what happens through this 24-hour period. Because from what I have observed in the last few days, is that a lot is happening in a 24-hour span. And there's obviously so many factors to discuss when it comes to crypto and prices going up or prices crashing down. So when we come tomorrow, we'll be here with a newer topic, and I hope that I will be able to answer all your queries, whether it is deposit related, or it is withdrawal related, you know, topic for that matter. So I hope and I am sure that you will join. I do have trust on you. If you've not made most of the deposit offer, kindly do that. I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a newer topic, with a more interesting topic, and obviously we'll be making trades as well. That is something that I always do on my live stream. So I'll do that as well. I welcome all of you users who are just now joining in. Yash will be here in the next few minutes. He has an interesting topic as well about prices crashing, about Bitcoin crashing, about gold and silver, all these commodities, risky assets. Uh, you know, he'll be trading as well. He'll be discussing all these charts and all these candlestick patterns with you, trying to analyze how, what all is happening at the macro level, what all is happening when it comes to all these charts. Are they pointing towards something? That will be his topic. uh, he'll also be making trades along with that, and so you can be very happy, you know regarding what's going to be coming in the next 30 minutes or 40 minutes or so. And with that, you can probably see XAU's price coming down very violently on your screens, right? You can see this. This is the 1 minute window, 1 minute chart. And so this is what you can see. Now with that, I come towards the close of my live session. I hope you like today's topic. I will be here tomorrow as well. Do make sure to join. And right, so this is the very, first or third, I think, profit that I have today. I've incurred so many losses today. Yeah, so I'll be seeing you all tomorrow. Make sure to come on live. Keep depositing only on zbit.com. Keep depositing only on zbit.com. Keep using all our offers. Keep listening to us, and keep trading. Do futures trading on zbit.com. On that note, I'll bid a goodbye to you. I'll close this trade out as well. I've earned a $4 profit. Not much that I've earned today, but it's okay. I mean, I'll take that, and I'll be back with some kind of motivation for tomorrow as well. So stay tuned. Yash will be here in the next few minutes. Make sure you do join his live stream, and I will be meeting you all tomorrow at 5:30 to 5:30 to 9:30 IST, and I hope that you will be joining me here. So goodbye, take care, stay healthy, drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and make sure to keep depositing and investing on zbit.com every day. Also, lastly, stay tuned for any kind of updates or signals on my Telegram group as well. uh, I'm active there if you want any kind of support, any kind of link with the team. I'll be able to do that as well. So stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye and take care.